At AM, we are excited about the potential for AI to enhance discoverability and access to primary sources, but not replace the role of subject experts or critical research skills. Whether it's with in house tools or work with suppliers, we've designed a set of principles aligned with the values and practices of the research community that guide how we use AI. For example, in our Mexico in History and Latin American Histories in the United States collections, we've used AI to support bilingual access at scale. Metadata has been translated using content specific, regionally informed models, then reviewed by expert human linguists. The result are resources that expand access aligned with the specific sources for English and Spanish speaking users, while maintaining scholarly and contextual integrity. Another example is a pilot that explored the potential for LLMs to extract named entities from documents, generate thematic tags for powerful browsing, and enhance metadata with 20th century diplomatic documents. With insights and input from our board of academic subject specialists, we use the wealth of extracted data to model the common topics expounded in the collection, curate individuals and locations mentioned, and build up a rich contextual dataset across hundreds of thousands of pages. We believe innovation should strengthen, not erode, scholarly rigor and critical research skills. For us, that means embedding transparent, responsible processes into every stage of how these technologies are developed and applied.